Hello. There are plenty of reasons that react as the main obstacles towards the development of a country and also hampers the daily life of its citizens. Crime plays a significant role among them. Bangladesh is not any different. Recently, I was reading some articles and found some reactive actions. I repeat, the reactive actions towards the crime is the major reason that increases the hassle of living the normal life of its citizens or with their normal rights. Our team, DigiTree, consists of 6 members from different IT sectors like government, telco, finance, etc. of Bangladesh, where if we find any opportunity of innovation for social development with data-driven solutions, which gathers us together. Our forte is experience, and based on that, giving easy and deep solutions to the people of every sector to fulfill the dream of digital Bangladesh. One day, after one event, our team DigiTree were traveling home. We observed that in another public transport, a woman was getting harassed publicly by some goons. Nobody reacted in fear, and some of us tried to use the existing privilege, which was taking time, and by then the transport left that place. We felt so helpless and felt the urge of having a proactive law virtual assistance where we can share our issues immediately by recording the evidence, sharing the location, and having some patterns, soft key gesture, or emergency calls to the nearest law enforcement station. This is the reaction and the reason of consideration to work on Lawbot, which rhymes with robot.
As you can see, the user will have 3 appearances. One is voice assistant, second is they can use manually, finally there will be an emergency seeking help partial pattern. For the help, the user need to log into the Cognito by the VA service, and authentication token will be there from the Cognito. Email verification will be there as well. So after that, the user will be able to chat, and they will need to go through the Cognito authentication service, and then by the Lex chatbot, it will go to the API gateway. API gateway will use the Lambda function, which will be hosted inside the AWS, and this Lambda function will be call some API external nodes API like Central Police API service, generic law information, other government security services. Also, the notifications will be sent by emergencies. Also, the emergency SNS service will be used, and the virtual, let's say the evidences of video evidences, picture evidences, or other some evidences will be stored in AWS DynamoDB. This is how our API request will work. So it will get the data, getting all the Dhaka Metro Thana to identify the nearest Thana. This will get all the information. Then getting all the crime type of subtype will be fetched and sending the request for help like this. And then the request acknowledgement will be get by to the user. So this is how the API will work. In near future, we are planning to incorporate the Bangla voice command through NLP. We can also USSD based assistance can be incorporated. One IVR call will be there if the user is seeking for immediate help. And last but not least, the forecasting based on the backend machine learning algorithms will be there.
In a nutshell, the main perspective of our team is to see Bangladesh among the top crime-free countries. If this happens, then our dream will come true. Thank you for your consideration and your time. Take care and stay safe.